Welcome to the TV King channel, cutting the cord since 2002. Please like, share, and subscribe. If you've spent any amount of time exploring the streaming TV device software scene, you've likely heard of Kodi. Formerly called XBMC, Kodi can extend your Fire TV functionality with more channels and content. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install it on your Fire TV. In just a few steps, you will be adding your favorite add-ons to your Fire TV. If you're wanting to installing Kodi on Android TV, Google TV devices, include the NVIDIA Shield, Chromecast with Google TV Streamer, On 4K box, and similar systems. You simply have to go to the Google Play Store to get the APK. Before you can do anything, you'll need to get the Fire TV ready, which basically involves allowing apps from unknown sources. This means you can install apps from outside of the Amazon App Store. To do that, jump into the Fire TV's menu by scrolling over to Settings. It's the little gear icon to the right of the home page. From there, scroll over to Device. You may not see the Developer Options menu at first because an update Amazon push to Fire TV devices hid them. Enable the Developer Options feature again by accessing the About menu and selecting the device name 7 times. In this menu, there are 3 options, including the one you're looking for: Apps from Unknown Sources. Go ahead and enable it. A warning will pop up, but that's normal. Go ahead and accept it to enable the feature. Since Kodi isn't available in the Amazon App Store, we're going to have to install it remotely with a Fire TV app called Downloader. You will need to install Downloader from the Amazon App Store. Just search for Downloader directly from your Fire TV. Just look for the Find icon, the left of the menu on the home screen. Once installed, go ahead and open Downloader. Using Downloader is pretty simple. You'll just enter the URL for the file you want to install. Just enter the URL into Downloader's URL box. If you need to pause the video, do it now. Click Enter. Scroll down the Kodi website till you see ARM v74 32-bit, then click on that and download. Once the APK file is finished downloading, the installation prompt should automatically pop up. Click the Install button. After installation, choose Done. It should throw you back into Downloader, where you can delete the APK file if you want. You won't need it again, so there's no reason to keep it around. At this point, Kodi should be ready to go. Click on the app icon at the top of the home menu, and Kodi will be at the bottom of the apps. You can hold down the center button on the remote to move it to the top of the apps. There you have it, folks. Now you're ready to add your favorite Kodi add-on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.